Good morning, childrens. It is November the 24th, coming up very close to Thanksgiving, 2 days away. Watch your eating habits, speaking of Thanksgiving, and prevent a doctor's bill. There you go. We are just beginning to understand the far-reaching effects diet has upon our health and well-being, but we do know which foods are good for us and which are most harmful. Still, we often ignore such wisdom. Who would do such a thing? This guy. Preferring to enjoy ourselves now and worry about the consequences later. Not judging, just judging. If you pay attention to nutrition, you may avoid other health problems. Experts advise avoiding large amounts of caffeine. Alcohol. Yeah, I don't do that. Not large amounts. I drink, but not a lot. Salt. Damn, they got me again. They got me on 2 out of 3. Following a low protein, low fat diet, high in carbohydrates such as vegetables, cereals, pasta, breads, potato, and fruit. Interesting. Because, keto is a big thing and has been for a while. South Beach diet, Atkins diet, those are all low carb, not high carb. Now, vegetables, yeah, but cereals, pasta, bread, and potato are kind of no-nos. So I guess dietary guidelines have changed over time. And fruit, which, fruit and vegetables are different. Different type of carbohydrate. They also suggest plenty of high fiber foods. Well, that hasn't changed. Such as cereals, well, oatmeal specifically, not like Frosted Flakes and Fruit Loops. Whole grain breads. Make sure they really are whole grain and not just like white bread with seeds put on them. Potatoes and high fiber vegetables. There you go. Fruits, broccoli, carrots, string beans, oranges, and strawberries. I didn't know orange was high fiber. I just knew about vitamin C. So, yeah, fruits and vegetables. You all know what to eat. I know what to eat. Bacon tastes good. Pizza tastes good. Barbecue tastes good. I get it. I'm a fat guy. I get it. Making health a priority. I had to make time for it. I had to focus on it. Maybe you don't. Maybe you can multitask better than I can. But it is important. I am doing it. And, if it's important to you, you'll do it too. If it's not important to you, you won't do it. For years, it wasn't important to me, so I didn't do it. The flavor, the food, I love food. I'm a foodie, so to me, the flavor, what I was eating, was more important. When I ate something really scrumptious, like a lobster roll, okay? I made lobster rolls for me and my boy Rob Jones in the office, and we ate them. And we closed our eyes and smacked our lips and moaned because it was so damn good. The lobster roll, if you never had one, they're awesome. And that 5 minutes of eating that lobster roll or lasagna or really good barbecue or a really good pizza, like the by hand pizza in Chiang Mai I had, I'm happy. I'm really happy. It brings me pleasure, brings me happiness, joy, whatever, when I'm eating those really good foods. What doesn't make me happy is being tired all the time and having no energy from being overweight, having health issues, having to go to the doctor and get medicine, drugs, for blood pressure, cholesterol, all those things. That doesn't make me happy. So cause and effect, I know it, I see it. For many years I did it anyway, but that, has come to a stop. I decided when I came to Thailand to finally get healthy and focus on my health. So when the time is right for you, you'll do the same thing. When it's important to you to be healthy more so than to enjoy what you're eating, you'll be healthy.